Today I'm going to do a tropical papaya smoothie bowl with ginger and turmeric. It's a very simple smoothie and we just need a few ingredients. The main ingredients, of course, is papaya. And then we are going to need some frozen bananas and a fresh coconut, which we are going to use the water and the meat of, and fresh ginger, turmeric, some pepper, and some dried coconuts for decoration later on. The pepper is actually going to enhance the turmeric, which helps you to relax your muscles, and also it enhances the healing process of the muscles, which is perfect after workout to have. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut the papaya. Beautiful the color is, isn't it? I love the color. Nice. So the next thing that I'm going to do is just remove the seeds. Did you know that you can actually dry the seeds and use them as a replacement for pepper?
No, I did not know that.
Yes, you can do that. So I'm just going to scoop it out like so. The next thing will be our frozen bananas.
Do they have to be frozen?
They should be frozen. You can also freeze the papaya.
Okay.
Yes, you need something that is, you need one item frozen because you want the smoothie to be very creamy and rich, right?
Okay. And
it's like one thing that you should have in your freezer for sure, because you can do so many things with that, and using the banana as the base actually for everything. And the next thing is the coconut.
Oh, now I have a special tool for opening the coconut. Would you like to borrow it?
You actually know how to do it without that.
I'm always too scared to do it, so I went and bought a tool to help me. But if there is another way, because I'm sure not everyone has a tool to open these things.
You see there are like 3 strings here.
Okay, yeah.
And you are going to focus on that and just take a knife. You are going to hit it with the blunt side.
Yeah.
Smoothie, and we don't want to use a lot of water because we want it to be thick. It's like it feels like it's a whole meal, and also you can top it up with some fresh fruits and other ingredients, which makes you chew, and this is actually helping you to digest better. The next ingredient is going to be turmeric.
Okay.
We don't want it to be overwhelming in the smoothie, so we're just going to put a dash, really just a dash, and a pinch of pepper.
It's kind of weirding me out putting pepper in a smoothie.
Yes, but trust me, you're going to like it. And also just a few bits of ginger.
Okay.
So start with small amounts and then you can still add a little bit more if you like to. And now that's pretty much it.
Great.
Are you ready to blend it
Make some
up?
noise.
Yeah. So beautiful. The smell. Yeah. So good, right?
Really
tropical.
good.
Just tropical and fresh and light. Here we go. We have our amazing tropical papaya smoothie bowl with turmeric and ginger. So
I get to try?
Of course.
Here you go. All right.
It's gonna be smoothie, it's gonna be surprising. You're going to have different levels of flavors.
That's really nice.
Okay. And you really like it.
I do. It's really, really good. I can taste the pepper, but it really adds to it.
Amazing. Can I try?
No.